Hello everyone, just wanted to share like some quick shortcut tips for Figma, also known as hotkeys. So let's start with the mother load, command /. That will open the Figma Spotlight. That's almost like the same as the Mac Spotlight if you're familiar with it, but basically it's a search input that allows you to run any like command on the menus of Figma, and that includes plugins. Like let's say that we want to start contrast. There we go. We started contrast. Now we could use contrast. Let's say that we wanted to maybe use sort layers. So let's use another shortcut for that. That's Command A. And so let's imagine that you click the canvas, Command A selects everything on the canvas. If you're inside the group, it selects everything inside the group. Then you can go outside. That's a good segue to the next one, which is Option L. Option L will collapse all the layers on the left panel, which is helpful like when you want to keep things tidy. And in case like you want to do something crazy like expanding all the layers on the left panel, you can like basically pre-select them and then you can do command click. That will basically expand every single layer that's inside them. And now you can do Option L again to close them down. So that's a cool one also. Let me just show you another thing. Let's do the spotlight again. Let's do, you already kind of probably saw it here, keyboard shortcuts, right? So you can always find the keyboard shortcuts over here. And you can pick and choose the ones that you want to use the most, or actions that bother you to go and find them like on the menus. So with that said, there's another cool one, which is you do Option 1 to have the layers on the left side. Option 2 to get the assets panel on the left side. Option 1 go back, you see the drill. And then you can do Option A to have the design panel on the right side. And then Option 9 to have the prototype. And Option 0 to have inspect. So you can just with shortcuts navigate a lot of panels on Figma. And if I'm not wrong, there's also Shift E. Shift E will switch between design and prototype. This feels like easier than option number. It's actually easier to have your fingers on these two keys. Command E, flip, flip, flip. You want to design, you're doing some prototyping, but you need to change some kind of value. Command E, you go back and forth. And that's it. I hope these are useful. And of course, there's much more, but these are the most important, at least in my opinion. So catch you later.